Hey, girls, come to the first bench, first 3 benches, girls. అమ్మా ముందుకు వచ్చేయండి ముందుకి. Boys, you also come to these benches, first benches. Then coming to question numbers 66 onwards. Paper number 48, 45. IBPS PO Prelim, paper number 45. Now in this question numbers 66 onwards, it comes under reasoning. Now here in this one 66, there are some 7 people. Now 7 people were there, live in 7 different floors of a building. 7 persons, 7 different floors, and but not necessarily lowermost of the floor is floor number 1 and so on. One of the parameter is added. Parameter added means first or the second priority. Second priority. Definitely it under the second priority. Now, while working out this one in your examination, you need to give this for the second priority. Now, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, these are the 7 persons who have. And 7 persons in these 7 different floors. 7 persons staying on these 7 different floors. Then coming to condition number 1. Now, in this one, M lives. M lives in an odd number floor, but above 3rd floor. M odd number floor above 3rd floor. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. M can be either on the 5th floor or on the 7th floor. Then only one person between M and Dames. M and Dames, there must be exactly 1. And M and Dames, M does not like Daisy. And M lives in odd number floor, only one between M and the 1 Dames. Now here, Dames can be above or Dames can be below. How many possibilities are there? 2 possibilities. Here we have only 1. M does not like Daisy. M Daisy is ruled out. Now here, M Daisy is ruled out. M does not like Daisy. Then next one, only one person between D and daffodil is. Now D and the 1 daffodil is, there is exactly 1. P does not like Dames. Now P Dames is ruled out. Now P does not like Dames. And as many people above Dames, below Daisy. Above Dames, below Daisy. Above Dames there are 2. Below Daisy there are 2. Now here we have got 2 possibilities for these Dames. Isn't it? As there are 2 possibilities, let us start with one of the possibility Dames here. Make it start chadam. If it is invalid, then you need to take Dames at this place. Now Dames here, then P is not Dames. Now P cannot be Dames. And at the same time, Dames and Daisy. Dames and Daisy equal number, and so Daisy is here. Saripenda? Equal number. As many people Dames below Daisy. D lives 3 floors below E. D lives 3 floors below E. E who likes Diana. E likes what? E likes Diana. E likes Diana. There are 2 in between these 2. And D lives 3. N likes Datura. What is it like N? N is Datura. Only one person between Diana and Dandolion. And Diana and Dandolion, there is exactly 1. 1 between. 2 people between Daisy and E. But Daisy and E, there are exactly 2 people. Clear? Daisy and E, there are exactly 2 people. E is here. E is here. Blank, blank. D must be here. D is Daisy. Here E blank, blank. D is Daisy. And E is what? E is Diana. And E is Diana. We are done with this. N in Datura. Diana and what is the other one we have? Only one between Diana and Dandolion. Diana and Dandolion, there must be exactly 1. Diana and Dandolion, there is exactly 1. Diennial and dandelion, there is exactly 1. Then only 2 people between DC and E. D and P do not live on immediate floors. D and P are not immediate floors. P cannot be here, P cannot be here. D and P are not immediate floors. P cannot be here. And only 2 people between F and dandelion. Dandelion and F. How many people? 2 people. 1 to F must be here. And if F is here, N is Datura, Datura is here. N is Datura. And D and daffodil there must be exactly 1. D and daffodil there must be exactly 1. Hence D is here, this must be daffodil. Sarpena? D and daffodil there must be exactly 1. Maker daffodil is here. Then finally you need to have P. P must be here. Is it possible? P cannot be possible. Hence, this case is completely ruled out. Now, point there. Either point. Now we are left with this one. Now in this, D and daffodil there must be exactly 1. P cannot be here. N is Datura and E, D and M. Then only 2 people between F and dandelion. Now dandelion, what is the reason we have? Dandelion, as many people above dames, below DC. D and daffodil there is exactly 1. P is not dames, N Datura, and between, 1 person between, only 1 between D and daffodil. P is not dames, as many above dames. D is 3 floors below E Daniel. N legs, only 1 between Diennial and dandelion. Diennial and dandelion there must be exactly 1. Diennial and dandelion there must be exactly 1. Diennial is here, dandelion. Dandelion can be above or can be below. Now dandelion, if you observe here dandelion, then diennial and dandelion there is exactly 1. Then N is Datura, N is Datura. N is Datura. Then what else is left over? Only 1 is left over, and it is Dahlia. And it is Dahlia. P cannot be here, cannot be here. Hence, P. P cannot be dense. And where should this P be? And there are 2 in between. D and P do not live immediate floors. Only 2 between F and dandelion. Dandelion and F there must be exactly 2. F is here. F is here, P is here. P is here, G is here. This is the final arrangement. Then, now this is from question number 66 to 70. Then 71 onwards, definitely under the first priority, question number 71 to 74. Now 71 first priority, let us start working on this question number 71. 71 to 73. How many such numbers are there which are immediately followed by letter preceded by symbol? Sequence is symbol, number and a letter. Symbol, number and a letter. Symbol, number and a letter. Isn't it? Now symbol, number and a letter. How many were there? There is only one choice. Then 72, odd one out. 4 out of the following means odd one out. And power W. Power and W minus 2. W and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5. And again 8 and 5 minus 2. Z and at the rate of. Z2 at the rate of minus 2. K and Q. K and Q 1, 2, 3 minus 3. What is the answer? We have choice 4. Remaining difference is minus 3. It is minus 4. Choice 4, 72. If all the letters are removed, then which of the following element is 15th from the right? Now we need to count 15th from the right without the letters. Without the letters 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is dollar. Dollar choice is 70. Then 74. Now in the word, what is the word we have? Adjunction. ABJUN, CTION. Now in the given word, all the vowels are changed to next letter. Vowel changed to next letter, UV, IJ, OP. And consonants previous, B minus 1 and J minus 1 is I, N minus 1, C minus 1, T minus 1, N minus 1, M. And all the letters, repeated letters are removed. And B repeated twice. And next one, M repeated twice. Then which of the following letters is fourth from the right? Fourth from the right is what? V. V that is given in choice. V choice for 74. Then next one, 75. Now 75 onwards, what is given in this 75? 7 people work in a school, 7 different positions. First or the second, first priority. Hierarchies, always under the first priority. Then designations. What are the designations we have? And librarian. Designations, director is the senior most. Now who is the senior most? Director. Next to director, principal. Next to principal, vice principal. Next to vice principal, and senior teacher. And senior teacher, next one, assistant teacher. Assistant teacher, my teacher unnadu kada madhilo. Senior teacher, teacher, and next one, assistant teacher, and a librarian. Now these are the 7 positions we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now these are the 7 positions we have. Then first one. At least 4% junior to K. 1, 2, 3, 4. K can be here, K can be here, K can be here. 3 possibilities. Minimum 4% are junior to K. Then, and only 3 in between K and H. 3 in between K and H, 3 in between K and H, 3 in between K and H. G is not an assistant teacher. Now G cannot be here, G cannot be here. And K is not the senior most designation. K senior most is ruled out. Then M is senior to K, M is senior to K, M is senior to K. I is senior to Z and junior to L. L is a senior teacher. L is a senior teacher, L. I, G. G cannot be here. L is a senior teacher, L. I, G. Then who is the person left over? Migilipindi evaru? J. Hence it comes under the first priority. Designations always the first priority. When compared with the previous set 66 to 70, which is easier? This is easier. Hence we need to start with this 75 to 79. Then question number 80. Inequalities. Definitely true. Which symbol we need to replace? M greater than N. P equals to Q. Lesser than or equals to R. E equals to ST. Now the conclusion T greater than Q. Now Q to T. Here it must be less than. Clear? Now next second symbol must be lesser than. Next one, Q lesser than T. Then what is the other symbol we have? Now lesser than, among the second, only here you have lesser than. Second symbol lesser than, only choice. And in no choice, lesser than is there. Sarvinda? Then next one, 81 to 85. Now in this 81, what is there in this? 81 to 85. Now 8 people, 2 circular tables, inside and outside. First or the second? Second priority. You need to work out this one under the second priority. How many people are there? 4 and 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. And here again 1, 2, 3, 4. And ABCD inner circle. And outer circle, and while those sitting in the inner circle face outside. Now these are outside. and these are inside. ABCD inner circle and PQRS outer circle. People at the outer circle are facing the people sitting at the inner circle. Now up to here, only descriptive part. From here onwards, conditions were given. Then the one who is facing S, sitting second to the right of B. Now the one who is facing S, this person is sitting second to the right of B, B is. My S opposite ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాడు B కి second right. That means opposite to each other. The one who faces A sits to the immediate left of Q. And can we have A at this place? A. The one who is facing A, immediate left of Q, Q must be here. Is it possible? No. Hence A cannot be here. And can we have A at this place? Can we have A at this place? My A ikkada. Opposite to A. And this person is to the immediate left of Q, Q is. Another, A can be here, Q can be here. Two possibilities. Then C sits to the immediate left of D. C and D are adjacent to each other. Hence, now A cannot be here. Now this one, C is to the immediate left of D. Now this is D, and this is C is to the immediate left of. Then D who does not face R. R cannot be here, R is here. R is here, T is here. Definitely first priority. Information, very less information is there. '81 to '85. The next one, my '86 to '88. First or the second, first priority direction and blood relations. Now here, there are some 9 people. Who are those? 9 people, 3 generations, among them 3 married couples. How many married couples were there? 3 married couples. Now 3 married couples were there. Now 3 married couples means how many persons got married? 6 persons got married. Now 6 persons got married, and among them only 4 females. 4 females. How many persons got? How many females among 4 were married? How many females were married? 3 females. 3 couples means 3 females must be there or not? 3 females were there. They are married. J is the paternal uncle of Q. Q, father's brother, J. J is the paternal uncle of Q. Then U has only 2 children. U is having only 2. S is the daughter-in-law of M. M is here. S is the daughter-in-law means son's wife. S is the daughter-in-law of M, and M is the son-in-law of T. M is the son-in-law of T means son-in-law of T, that is T's daughter's husband is M. M is the son-in-law of T. M is the father-in-law of S. Sorry, S is the daughter-in-law of M, and M is the son-in-law of T. C is married to M, C is. E and G are sons of C. Here in this one, ERG, ERG, sons of C. E is unmarried. E is unmarried. E is here. Now G is E and G. And next one, T is the father-in-law. S's father-in-law. Who is S's father-in-law? M. M's father-in-law T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 were done. Now these 3 we need to combine. And T is married to whom? And T is married to you. T is married to you. T and you are married to each other. U is a female. U is having only 2 children. And who is the other person? And U is having only 2 children. And who is that one? Q. Now Q is here. J is paternal uncle. J is the brother of P. Mas saripenda ledha? J is the brother of P. U has only 2 children and J is a paternal, and how many females were there? 4. 1, 2, 3. Q is a female. No Q. And now E. E is the son of whom? E is the son. Times Q must be. Sarvenda? 86 to 88. Then next one. 89 to 91. 89 to 91 comes under comparison. First priority. 89 to 91. There are some 6 people. Who are those 6? F, G, H, I, and J. Now 6 people were there. F, G, H, I, J, and K. And each one different weights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Different weights. F is heavier than I, but lighter than K. And G is heavier than I and J. G is heavier than I and J. K is not the heaviest person. K cannot be here. And H is lighter than F. Now H is lighter than F, but heavier than I. Hence F, H, and I. Now H must be in between these two. G is more than I and J. J is not the lightest. J cannot be the lightest. J is here. J is here. I is here. I is here. J is here. I and J we cannot determine. Now J, after this J it must be H. Next to H, F. And F, next one is K. And next one G. And if G is here, I is here. And the weight of the second heaviest. Now K is 50 kgs. And the height of the second lightest, J is 20 kg. Done? Then, how many persons are heavier than H? There are 3. Now 3 choice for question number 89. 89 choice. Then 90th. Which of the following is heaviest? G, choice 2. 91. Possible weight of F in between 20 and 15. 20 and 50, 35 choice 4. 92 to 96. First or the second? First priority. Now in this, 9 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And only 3 people in between M and H. M and H, 3 people. Neither M nor H adjacent to N. M and H, N. Only 3 to the right of N. To the right hand side of N, there are only 3. Only 3 to the right of N. And K sits 3 places away from J. J and K. In between 2 people. 3 places away. Third place. In between 2. Then K is not immediate to I. K and I are not adjacent. G sits to the immediate left of H. G is to the immediate left of H. O sits second to the right of J. J is here. O is here. Done? Now this is what the information given. Now let us start from J and O. J and K, there are 2 people. And J and K. M and H, there are exactly 3. J and O. Now if you take J at this place, O will be here. J and K, there are exactly 2 people. Isn't it? J and K, 2 people. J and O. And H is to the, G is to the immediate left of J. G is to the immediate left of J. Now G and H will be like this. Then K and I are not adjacent to each other. Isn't it? M and H are not adjacent to N. M and H not adjacent to N. And if H is here, M and H 3 people. Is it possible? Not possible. Then G and H. then M is here. M and N cannot be adjacent. Hence, J cannot be at this place. If J cannot be here, can we have J at this place? Now J possibility. J is here, then O is here, then J and K, three people, not possible. The next one, J, O, and O is here, then J and K, two people, not possible. J cannot be here. Can we have J here? J and O. J and O. Is it possible here? No. Hence J cannot be here. Then, what is the other possibility we have? And J at this place. J is here, O is. J and O. Then next one, J and O were done. And G and H. G and H are adjacent to each other. J and K, there are two people. Two people. K can be here. One possibility. And if K is here, G and H. G and H can be like this. H and M. Three people. M is here. And MH not adjacent to N. The next one, K and I are not adjacent. I is here, N is here. Now this is from 92 to 96. Then 97. (97 to 100). Now question numbers 97 to 100. First 97. The given number, what is the number we have? 49726 13583. All the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The digits are arranged in ascending order. How many number places will remain unchanged? Number places that remain unchanged, 8. Only one choice for 97. 98 to 100. 98 to 100, it comes under apartments are highest buildings. Only 3 questions were given. Then GA. Where is GA? GA is here and is not repeated anywhere else. GA present only in second statement. Only one new word must be there in second statement. New word. Then apartments are highest buildings. Highest and highest were there. R and R were there. Buildings were there. Isn't it? Apartments are sub. Now second one we are talking about, GA. Now highest were there. R were there. Rooms and budget. Room and budget is not there. Isn't it? Hence, what is your answer? Either budget or room. What is your answer? Choice. Got this? Then 99. Highest. Highest is here. Highest is here. Only 2 words. Then R is common in all these 3. HK is common in all these 3. Then what is left over? XC. The code for highest is XC. Choice 4. Then 100. Apartments more beautiful. Apartments. Beautiful and is. Apartment is common. And BR. Apartment is BR. More and beautiful. More, there is no word. Beautiful, here there is a word beautiful. Beautiful, ESHY, HK. HK completed. ESHY, BX. BX completed. ES or HY. ES completed. HY. Now this is HY. Now B, BR, HY, then a new word, new code. Now here, BR, HY, BR, HY or HK? HY, sorry, HK. BR, HK. BR, HK is not there. BR, HK. Then what is your answer? 100? Now BR, then here in this one, what is the code to the word apartment? BR. My next time Japani, BR is there, and at the same time HR. BR HR. Now in this 100. Apartment. Where is this word apartment? Apartment and apartment. Then beautiful nature is. Which word is common? BR is common. Apartment is BR. Then next one. Beautiful. And here is the word beautiful. Here is the word beautiful. Beautiful BX. BR BX. These two are common. BR BX. BR BX. This is gone. BR BX. This is gone. GA. Can GA be the code to the word more? GA. GA is a code for one of these words. It cannot be the code. Easy. Can easy be the code? Yes. As easy is not present here, it can be the code. Then what is your answer? Choice 300. Then, and next one. Number series. Question number 46. (14, 17). Numbers are increasing at a smaller rate. Definitely under difference. Here 3, 5, 7, 11, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. 40 plus 13, 53 choice. 47. 13, 15. How much? Plus 2. Here, plus 9. Here, 28. 1 cube plus 1. 2 cube plus 1, 9. 3 cube plus 1, 28. 4 cube plus 1, 65. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 6, 11. 117, choice 4. 47. 48. 91, 100 plus 9. 182 minus 18. Next one plus 36 minus 72. Into 2, into 2, into 2. 118, 72 means 28 plus 18, 46. Sorry. Then 49. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Now 3 and 8, difference is so much of 5. 8 and 37. 8 and 37, 29. 37 and 86. 13 plus 36, 49. 86 and this one. Then 86 and 151. And 14 plus 51, 51 plus 14, 65. Then next one. 29 and 5, 24. Here difference 20. Here difference 16. Here difference 24, 20, 16. Multiples of 4, 12. Isn't it? 65 plus 12, 77. Added or subtracted? Added. 7 plus 1, 8. Choice 4. 49. Then 50. Number 5190. And increase at a larger extent. Very fast. Into 2 plus 4. Into 3. 36. 36 plus how much? Into 2 plus 8 plus 4. 12 into 3. Outlet. Isn't it? Then ruler. Then 12 into how much? Into 5. Into 5 plus 5. Now this is into 3 plus 3. Into 1 plus. Into 3. Exactly into 3. That is also ruled out. Then next one. 12 into 6. 72. Minus 6. Now 4 into how much? And 4 into 4. Minus 4. And into 2. Minus 2. Into 2, into 4, into 6. 2, 4, 6 are subtracted. Into 8. Minus 8. Into 10. Minus 10. And what is the number? 520. That's it.